Support for multiple part configurations. Filter to use one or multiple configurations for processing. Preview filtered parts list before exporting. Each configuration is activated and processed for DSTV export. DSTV files are ready for machining. Profile blocks and drilling are automatically recognized. DSTV parts can be detected from an entire assembly. Select a saved desktop for settings and preferences. Each DSTV part is recognized, oriented, and exported. DSTV files are organized by profile and ready for machining.